Backyard sky.
What up, everybody? This is Backyard Sky, and I know I'm fully retard. Full retard.
Never be the same. Eternity, another sleepless night. The rain crashes against my window pane. That moment I knew I would never be the same. Walking in the rain. You were holding hands and I'll never be the same. Now here you are begging to me to give our love another try. Girl, I love you and I always will. But darling, right now I got to say goodbye.
Hi, how are you?
Good. May I have 2 chalupas with no tomatoes?
Sorry, two chicken what?
I'm sorry, I said 2 chalupas.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
My bad.
My fault. You want the beef or chicken or steak?
Oh man. You know what? Chicken.
Okay. And you said no tomatoes?
Wait, you know what? Cancel that. I got a call. I don't know. I'll be back.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, exactly. You know, there were times when I was doing Jack that I actually felt retarded, like really retarded. I mean, I brushed my teeth retarded. I rode bus retarded.
Damn.
In a weird way, I had to sort of just free myself up to believe that it was okay to be stupid or dumb.
To be a moron.
Yeah,
To be moronical.
exactly. To be a moron.
An imbecile.
Yeah.
Like the dumbest motherfucker that ever lived.
When I was playing the character.
When you was a character.
Yeah, I mean, as Jack, definitely.
Yeah. Jack. Stupid ass Jack. Trying to come back from that.
In a weird way, it was almost like I had to sort of fool my mind into believing that it wasn't retarded. And by the end of the whole thing, I was like, wait a minute, you know? I flushed so much out, how am I gonna jumpstart it up again? It's just like,
Yeah.
yeah, right?
You was farting in bathtubs and laughing your ass off. Yeah.
Yeah.
But Simple Jack thought he was smart. Or rather, didn't think he was retarded, so he can't afford to play retarded, being a smart actor. Playing a guy who ain't smart but thinks he is, that's tricky.
Tricky.
It's like working with Mercury. It's high science, man. It's art form.
Yeah.
You an artist.
That's what we do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hats off for going there. Especially knowing how the Academy is about that shit.
Wait. About what?
You're serious? You don't know. Everybody knows you never go full retard.
What do you mean?
Check it out. Dustin Hoffman, Rain Man, look retarded, act retarded. Not retarded. Count 2 picks, cheated cards. Autistic. Show. Not retarded. You got Tom Hanks, Forrest Gump. Slow, yes, retarded maybe, braces on his leg, but he charmed the pants off next to him and won a ping pong competition. That ain't retarded. He was a goddamn war hero. Right. You know any retarded war heroes?
Yep.
Sorry about the wait.
Oh, I'm thank you.
Alright, you have a great day.
You went full retard, man. Never go full retard. You don't buy that? Ask Sean Penn, 2001, I Am Sam. Remember? Went full retard. Went home empty-handed.
Sing along if you know the words. But I threw some new shit into this one too, so listen up.
Oh no, Benny Grams, our
A boy of 10, I had a very special friend. Ed was kind with good intent, but just a little different. Oh, special Ed. His mama dropped him on his head. Now he's not so bright instead. He's a little bit special. Just a little bit special. We played tag and he'd get hurt. I'd play soldier, he'd eat dirt. I liked math and the spelling bee. It's like talking to a tree. Oh, special Ed. His mama dropped him on his head. Now she keeps him where? In the shed. 'Cause he's a little bit special. Just a little bit.
Got this in pocket. Gunpowder, I'm gonna use it. Intention, I'm feeling mental. Gonna make you notice. Got motion, restrained emotion. I've been diving, detour leaning. No reason.